Hi, this is Judy. First grade homework, week of September 26th, Starking. The first vocabulary of this word this week, I'm trying a new method. Hopefully this will be more legible. The first character is cui. Cui means blow. And the vocabulary word to go with this is cui feng. So feng means wind. Cui feng together means blowing wind. So you could say 外面 outside. 吹风 means it's windy outside. The next character, conveniently, is 风, which means wind. And paired up with 大, which is big, and that's a word that your kids have learned already in kindergarten. 大风 means big wind. So literally it means windy, like very, very windy. So say 外面在吹大风 means it's super windy outside. Next vocabulary word is 雪. 雪 means snow. Conveniently, if you cover the bottom of this, that character on top is rain. And this part on the bottom is one of the radicals for hand. What is rain that you can hold in your hand? Snow. The vocabulary word that goes with that is 下雪. Sha means down, literally. And in this instance, it turns 雪 into a verb. 下 means, since it means down, it also can mean falling down, so falling snow. So you can say 外面, outside again. 下雪 means it's snowing outside. Next vocabulary word is 电. 电 means electricity. And the vocabulary word that goes with that character is 电话. 电话, 话 means talk. Electric, talk means telephone. Pretty cool, huh? So 电, since it's electricity, it's used in a lot of words where it's electrified. So another example is 电影. 影 means shadow. What's electric shadow? It's a movie. The last character this week is 云. Yun means cloud. And the vocabulary word that goes with it is 白云. 白 means white, white cloud. You can also say 云天. Tian is a word that your kids have learned, and that means cloudy day. Today, this week's tip of the week for Chinese, I thought I'd introduce the concept of radicals. A radical is not some crazy guy in Berkeley, but in Chinese, it is a part of a word that imparts either a hint of the meaning or a hint of the pronunciation. Today, I'll focus on meaning radicals. So you probably wonder how to memorize 3,000 to 5,000 characters if that's what it takes to be literate in Chinese. Well, they have these things called radicals that help you memorize and learn words. And instead of 3,000 to 5,000 characters, you can learn about 100 or so common radicals. I mean, it's more than 26 letters in the alphabet, but they do impart a lot of meaning. So the first vocabulary word this week has a square in front. So you have a square in the side of a character. That is the radical ko, which means mouth. So with the mouth, so when you see something with a ko in front, it has to do something with the mouth. So cui, you blow, and that has to do something with the mouth. The character for eat also has the ko in front, and there's lots of characters. And whenever you see a ko at the front of a word or on the side of the word, pretty much guaranteed has to do something with the mouth. So as your kid learns more and more characters, you'll start seeing a pattern, and you'll start seeing that, oh, well, this has a ko on the side, must do something in mouth. And it'll help your child remember to read the word as well as to write the word. And also, back before there were electric dictionaries and iPhones where you can snap a picture and get the meaning, you would look up a word in a dictionary using the radical. In the homework, in addition, focus, this little square right here, that is the radical for that word. So if you were to look up this character in a Chinese dictionary, you would have to use this radical to look it up. I'm entering 5 minutes now, so I'm going to really briefly introduce the phrase of the week. The first graders are learning how to count money with pennies and nickels. So to ask, how much money is that? And this will be really useful if you travel in China. You say, 多少钱? 多 literally means a lot, 少 means a little, 钱 means money. To say how much, you basically say a lot, little. 多少钱? So that's it for today. Good luck with your homework, and I'll see you next week.